In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export and download contacts from Odoo CRM. We'll walk through this process step by step so you can easily get your contact data out of Odoo, for example, to use it in reports, email marketing tools, or backup files. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect on screen. First, start by opening your Odoo instance and go to the Contacts app. You can usually find this on your main Odoo dashboard, shown as an icon labeled Contacts. Click that to open the full list of contacts stored in your system. This is where Odoo keeps all your customers, vendors, and any other partners you manage. Once you're inside the Contacts app, look through the list and click on the specific contact you want to export. This will open the detailed view for that contact, showing information like their name, company, address, phone numbers, and any other data your organization tracks. Make sure you're on the correct contact, because the export will be based on what's currently selected. With the contact open, look towards the top of the screen for the button labeled Actions. This is usually located in the upper area beside other options like Edit or Print. Click on Actions to open a small drop-down menu. This menu contains different tools you can apply to the contact you're viewing. From that drop-down, choose the option labeled Export. Clicking Export tells Odoo that you want to download the data related to this contact. When you select it, Odoo will typically open an export wizard or dialog box where you can confirm what you're exporting. In the export window, you'll see options for the export format and the fields that will be included. If you're not sure what to change, the default settings usually work fine, especially if you just need a simple spreadsheet or CSV file. When you're ready, click the Export button again inside this window to start the export process. After the export is confirmed, your file will be generated and downloaded by your browser. At this point, look for a visual indication or highlight in your browser's download area, usually at the bottom or top of the screen depending on your browser. That highlight shows that your exported contact file has finished downloading and is ready to open, save, or share as needed. And that's all you need